Morning folks, and welcome to Tiles and Tales once again. So today the plan is, it's a bit damp and dreary, but I'm going to go and have a bit of a ride on some more gravel, and a bit longer than yesterday's ride, which was only 3 or 4k I think on gravel. Anyway, I've got this trip booked with a mate of mine and another fella. We're going to go down to South Australia in March, so the more experience I get, which is experience really, because I've not done any, experience being zero, I thought I'd go today and see what it was like. And then after Christmas, my mate said he's going to give me a bit of coaching, but I don't want him to coach me from the absolute, never been on it before, so I'll see how we go today. It should be good fun, even though it's a bit damp. I'll see you on the gravel. Oh, hold on a minute. Let's just turn up for the books. It's Mrs. Tails. Are you worried about me on the gravel? Are you going to come with me to look after me? Are you looking forward to it? Shall we go then? You okay? Yeah, so we're off to Phillips Road, which is down here about 15k, and on the right it's gravel, but I'm not sure what it's going to be like when we get there, because it's absolutely teeming down. We'll have to go on there and see how we go when we get there. I have to say that now we're actually here, it looks like it's held the water pretty well, and we'll make forward progress. And if it gets a bit too boggy, Mrs. Tails will have to get off and push me or help me pick the bike up, one or the other. Let's see what happens. I have so little experience with this, I'm actually unsure whether it's better with a pillion or worse with a pillion, but I suppose I'll find out if I can come again when it's a bit damp and moist under tyre, and be on my own, see if there's a difference. We've actually had a fair bit of rain overnight since I went out yesterday, and I'll get the Insta 360 if I can, and try and show you what sort of water's laying about. It's a phenomenal amount of rain, and we actually like it. It's greening everything up. It's good. I'm actually quite looking forward to when we get home. I'll crack a beer and probably watch some of the test match which is on at Brisbane at the moment against India, but in the wisdom they decided to play it halfway towards the end of December instead of in November, so it's teeming down there as well, so there probably won't be any play anyway. I can't for the life of me really understand why Cricket Australia decided to put it like 5 weeks, 6 weeks later than what it normally is, because this is our wet season I suppose, and you get better weather in November. Anyway, powers that be. I'm actually quite enjoying this. It's not too bad at all. It's the bike's pretty stable, but I'm hardly breaking any land speed records. I'm not sure how happy Mrs. Towles is. I've had a few punched in the ribs, so anyway, safe and sound at the moment. It's good fun. Oh, everybody's going to probably laugh at this, but I can assure you I'm not. I avoided a watery grave there. Anyway, bit of experience gained. So at this point I'm wondering if it is waterproof like it's supposed to be against a 360, or is it dead? Anyway, expensive mistake if it is. I know we're actually going a little over walking pace, but it's actually a great service to ride on, believe it or not. I don't know what it's like when you're going proper pace. I spoke too soon. This stuff's a bit gooey and slippery. It's making the nether regions twitch a bit, I'll be honest with you. Anyway, I'm going to shut up. I can probably relax a bit now, thank goodness, after that muddy stretch. It was actually discussed earlier that I don't actually buy any Christmas presents. Mrs. Towles gets the lot, so I reckon when I get home I'm going to get some brownie points and go out and do some Christmas shopping. And I can't wait for that, because I love shopping. It's a great experience. Yes, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to buy when I go shopping. I can't get the usual things like earrings and perfume, but I might even Google, what do you get a woman that's got everything? What's that sign say? I don't know, with Molly should have gone down there. Anyway, absolutely hammering it down it is. I'm just chuckling to myself. I think I'll get her a set of power tools, some battery ones. I think that's what she wants. I'll get her some of them.